The day the squirrels stole the moon. One evening, as little Mia was brushing her teeth, just like she did every night at 8 o'clock sharp, she peeked out the window and gasped. The moon was gone. Mom, Dad, the moon disappeared, she cried. Her parents chuckled. Maybe the squirrels took it, her dad joked. Mia's eyes widened. Squirrels? Asterisk. She grabbed her flashlight and tiptoed outside. Sure enough, in the big oak tree, 3 fluffy squirrels were rolling the moon like a giant cheese wheel. Hey, that's not yours, Mia said, hands on her hips. The squirrels froze. The littlest one, Nutty, squeaked. But it's so round and shiny. We wanted a midnight snack. Quote, Mia shook her head. The moon belongs to asterisk everyone. And you shouldn't stay up so late. It's bedtime. Quote, the squirrels blinked. Bedtime? Quote, yes. Early to bed, early to rise, Mia said. And you need proper snacks. Like nuts and berries. Not moons. The squirrels giggled. Oops. We got carried away. Together, they pushed the moon back into the sky, where it gleamed brightly again. From then on, the squirrels followed Mia's advice. They ate healthy snacks, played outside, and went to bed on time. And every night, Mia smiled at the moon, knowing it was safe, thanks to good habits and teamwork. The end. Asterisk crescent moon chipmunk.